Welcome back to this best dash cam review video. If you want to protect your vehicle and capture every detail on the road, finding the best dash cam is important. Let us begin. Product number 1. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. First on our list is a fantastic dual-channel option that ensures maximum coverage for both the front and rear of your vehicle. This model captures stunning ultra-high-definition resolution at the front and full high-definition at the rear, giving you impeccably clear footage of the road. It comes equipped with an advanced starlight sensor and a large aperture, which allows it to pull in more light for bright and vivid recordings even during nighttime drives. One of the standout features is its ultra-fast wireless connectivity, enabling you to download videos to your smartphone at lightning speeds. It also features a built-in global positioning system to record your precise driving routes and live speed. For added convenience and peace of mind, it includes a generous memory card right out of the box and utilizes a robust supercapacitor designed to withstand extreme temperatures. With its wide viewing angles and seamless loop recording, this camera is built for long-term daily reliability and ultimate safety. Product number 2. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front Rear F7 Next up is a highly popular model that beautifully balances performance and smart functionality for everyday commuters and rideshare drivers. This setup delivers crisp ultra-high-definition video from the front lens and sharp high-definition video from the rear. It utilizes an advanced image sensor combined with a 6-layer optical lens and wide dynamic range technology to ensure your footage has balanced lighting, regardless of whether you are driving into direct sunlight or navigating pitch-black roads. Getting your video files is incredibly simple thanks to the integrated high-speed wireless connection and the dedicated smartphone application, which lets you preview, manage, and download clips instantly. It provides round-the-clock protection through multiple parking monitor modes, actively recording if a collision is detected while your car is parked. This unit also features continuous loop recording, automatically overriding the oldest unprotected files to ensure you never run out of space. Its durable supercapacitor construction offers excellent heat resistance for long-lasting performance on any given daily drive. Product number 3. REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 Dash Cam F7 in Touch. Moving along, we have another exceptional dual recording option that elevates the user experience by adding an intuitive touchscreen interface and voice commands. Capturing your journey in ultra-high-definition resolution with an expansive front viewing angle, it easily records vital details across multiple lanes of traffic. The enhanced night vision capabilities guarantee that even in low-light situations, your video remains incredibly visible and reliable. Safety is a primary focus with this device, allowing you to use simple voice commands for hand-free control, minimizing distractions while you are behind the wheel. The smart touchscreen makes it effortless to lock emergency videos or adjust settings with just a tap. It incorporates built-in global positioning to provide a traceable location and accurate speed data overlay on your recordings. With a generous included memory card, reliable loop recording, and a gravity sensor that automatically protects footage during sudden impacts, this camera offers comprehensive security and total peace of mind for every single trip you completely take. Product number 4. IIWEY in 5 4-channel Dash Cam 360 View. Our next pick takes vehicle surveillance to an entirely new level with a comprehensive 4-channel system. This impressive device captures a complete 360-degree view, recording the front, rear, sides, and interior of your car simultaneously in crisp high definition. It is the ultimate choice for drivers who want absolute blind spot elimination. The wide-angle lenses ensure that no detail is missed, from the road ahead to the passenger cabin. Managing your extensive footage is surprisingly easy, thanks to the high-speed wireless connection and a free dedicated application that lets you download and review clips without removing the memory card. The system utilizes loop recording to automatically manage your storage, seamlessly overwriting old files when the card is full. It also features an intelligent gravity sensor that instantly locks critical footage during unexpected impacts, ensuring that your most important evidence is never deleted. Powered by a robust supercapacitor, this amazing camera operates flawlessly in extreme weather conditions without any risk of serious overheating. Product number 5. Coolcrazy 4K Dashcam Front and Rear. Finally, we have an incredibly reliable dual camera setup that delivers superb image clarity and excellent value. This model shoots in gorgeous ultra-high definition resolution with a high frame rate, ensuring incredibly smooth video playback even when you are driving at highway speeds. It features an advanced starlight night vision sensor paired with wide dynamic range technology to perfectly balance bright streetlights and dark shadows, ensuring your footage is always sharp and ready for evidence. It includes a large capacity memory card out of the box and utilizes automatic loop recording to continuously overwrite older clips. In the event of emergency braking or a collision, the integrated gravity sensor immediately locks the current video file, so it cannot be erased. For those who leave their cars parked in public lots, it provides 24-hour monitoring to capture any malicious bumps or scratches. With real-time location tracking and fast wireless sharing capabilities, this wonderful camera covers all your essential driving needs perfectly every day. Check the links below to upgrade your car's security. Like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.